Good morning, sir. My name is Beverly Soriano from BEHGA. So let's talk about what is module. A module in the context of education is a self-contained learning package designed to help students understand a specific topic or skill step by step. Think of it as a lesson that stands on its own. It has activities, examples, practice, tasks, and assessments, all structured so that a learner can progress even with a minimal supervision. So, meaning a module like a complete lesson that stands on its own. Students do not need to rely on a teacher all the time because the instructions, examples, and activities are already provided. This makes learners more flexible and learner-centered. How is a module used in teaching mathematics in intermediate grades? A module is a self-contained learning materials designed to help students learn a specific topic in clear, organized, and step-by-step manner. In intermediate grades, modules are very useful because they guide learners to understand math concepts independently or with minimal teacher assistance. So let's proceed the advantage and disadvantages of the module. So let's proceed advantage first. First is the support self-paced learning, meaning students can learn at their own speed without pressure. Second, encourages independent study, meaning learners develop responsibility by studying on their own. Third is organized and easy to follow. Lessons are arranged step by step, making concept clear. And fourth is the reinforces math concepts. Practice activities help students master the lesson. And let's proceed to the disadvantages of modules. First is the limited teachers-student interaction. Students cannot easily ask questions or get immediate feedback. Second is the may confuse some learners, meaning difficult topics can be hard to understand without guidance. Third is the need self-discipline. Students must try stay focused and motivated on their own. And the fourth is not suitable for all learners, meaning some students learn better with direct teaching and discussion. The purpose of modules in intermediate grades is help students learn independently. Second, provide organized and clear lessons. Third, support different learning speeds. And the last, reinforce lesson